Your car's fuel pump is a small, but very important part. If the fuel pump starts to fail, your engine may have problems, or even stop working completely. Here are some signs that your fuel pump is failing. If your car struggles to start or takes longer than usual to start, it may be because the fuel pump is not delivering enough fuel to the engine. This is often one of the first signs of a failing pump. If your car's engine sputters or hesitates when driving at high speeds, it could mean the fuel pump is not supplying enough fuel. This often happens when you try to accelerate quickly. You may also notice a loss of power or difficulty maintaining speed on uphill roads. When the engine suddenly stalls while driving, it can be caused by an inconsistent fuel supply. A bad fuel pump may not be able to maintain the proper pressure needed for the engine. This can be dangerous, especially at high speeds, as it may cause loss of control of the vehicle. When climbing hills or carrying heavy loads, a failing fuel pump can cause your car to lose power. The engine doesn't receive enough fuel to operate at full strength. This can make it difficult to maintain speed, especially on steep roads or during overtaking. A failing fuel pump can make your car feel sluggish. You may notice slower acceleration and less responsiveness when pressing the gas pedal. This reduced performance can make driving less smooth and more tiring, especially in traffic or on highways. If the fuel pump doesn't supply enough fuel, the engine can overheat. Fuel helps cool engine components, so low fuel flow can cause higher temperatures. Overheating can lead to serious engine damage if the problem isn't addressed promptly. If the car jerks or hesitates while accelerating, it can indicate inconsistent fuel supply. The engine is not getting the smooth flow it needs to run properly. This can make driving feel unpredictable and may increase the risk of accidents. A failing fuel pump may cause too much fuel to enter the engine, leading to incomplete combustion and black smoke from the exhaust. This not only reduces fuel efficiency, but can also damage the catalytic converter over time. Sometimes, if your fuel pump is failing, your car may have trouble starting right after filling the tank. Air or debris may cause temporary fuel flow problems. Failing fuel pump can cause rough or delayed gear changes. You may feel jerks or hesitation when shifting gears. Over time, this can put extra strain on the transmission and lead to costly repairs. Watching these signs can help you know when to check or replace your fuel pump. Regular care can prevent you from getting stuck on the road.